Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to create a dashboard in monday.com. So let's begin. Log into your account, click the plus icon over here, dashboard, name your dashboard. Create the dashboard, select the boards you want to pull data from, click done. Next, click add widget. So you can add visual elements like charts, timelines, workload trackers, or task overviews. You can click more widgets in here. Customize and arrange these according to your needs. Once everything is set up, you can now share the dashboard with your team over here and adjust permissions as needed and set up automations for real life updates like this video if you find it very helpful.